If you've lost access to your Booking.com account and don't have your phone number, you can still recover your account by following these steps. Step 1. Visit the Booking.com login page. Go to the Booking.com website and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the home page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Your Password link. This will take you to the password recovery options. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Booking.com account. Make sure it is the correct email you used to register. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Booking.com with instructions to reset your password. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Click on the link provided in the email and follow the instructions to reset your password. Once you've created a new password, you can log into your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Booking.com customer support for further assistance.